I've said this before and I'll say it again, if you are not looking on Temu for good quality, affordable items, then you are truly missing out. They have so many things to pick and choose from, but I also do have a $100 coupon bundle available for you guys right now. But if you didn't know, I recently got engaged, which is so exciting. And after getting engaged, you start wedding planning. Pablo and I do have a potential wedding date as of right now, and so I do also just want to look into all the wedding stuff, and Temu was nice enough to partner with me on today's video to bring some of my wedding planning to life. They also last time sent me a walking pad. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have it linked in the description. And so I did also get a little desk that goes up and down to go along with that walking pad. So it's not in this bag, but I have it set up, so I will show you clips of that and what I did with it. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Before I start showing you everything that I got this time, I definitely want to talk to you guys about the $100 coupon bundle. You know me, I love a good sale, I love a good coupon, and of course Temu hooked it up for you guys today. You'll have to search my code, which is here on the screen right now, to qualify for the $100 coupon bundle, and new users to the app also get 90% off my picks. Make sure check out the description to download the Temu app. It was truly so hard to choose what I wanted because they had so many great things, but again, the theme is kind of like wedding-y, but also if you're not getting married, you can still watch this because they're still just amazing basics, staples, everyday things, just like that desk that I mentioned for my walking pad, which I will show you. But I did want to start off with something that I am so excited for. I love them. I saw them and I was hoping that they were good quality, and they absolutely exceeded my expectations. A girly needs a pair of crisp white comfortable flats, and I wanted them with a bit of sparkle, nothing crazy. Do these scream engaged to you, planning a wedding? Because they did to me. So I was so excited and they fit great. I got my true to size 7.5. They are true to size, so do not size up, do not size down. They fit great. I absolutely love these. They are perfect. Love the shape of them. I usually like more of a rounded toe. However, these are great in between in my opinion, and I do really like how they look when I wear them. I feel like they elevate an outfit just a little. I don't want to wear heels all the time. Pablo and I are going venue touring soon, which is so excited, and I just wanted to wear like an all white outfit. I wanted to look the part, and I feel like these are perfect, and you'll be able to walk in them for hours and hours and hours. I tried them on for like 20 minutes around my house and they were so comfortable. The insoles do have a bit of cushion and a really tiny little heel, if you can see here. These are the women's bow knot flat shoe, and with my 90% off code, they're only $1.63 Canadian. So USD, that is around $1 even. Canadians, under $2 for these shoes. I might even get backups because I feel like I'm going to just live in these when spring and summer come around. So I might actually just pick up a backup for myself because, like I said, I absolutely love them. I love how you can elevate an outfit with them, but also they're not super elevated, so throwing these on with like a matching leggings and top I feel like would be really pretty, but you can also wear it with a dress as well. Next up, these are actually a Temu staple of mine. I get these all the time. I travel a lot. If you haven't realized, Pablo and I are always exploring, and I personally love these travel bottles. At Temu with my discount, you can get them for 43 Canadian cents. Not dollars, 43 cents. If you only travel with carry-ons like Pablo and I do, you'll know that you can't bring too many liquids, but these are the perfect size, fit everything I need. I have a moisturizer, I have makeup removers, I have setting powders ready to go. Also do put my Urban Decay setting spray in some of these. Hand creams, very important, anything like that. All my essentials fit perfectly in here. They do have different bundles as well, but this is personally the one that I love using. Before we get into the next things in the bag, bag. They are more wedding related. Let's talk about the desk that I scored on Temu. So if you didn't know, like I mentioned earlier in the video, I did get a walking pad from them, which they do have a bunch of walking pads. You can definitely check that out. I'll try to see if I can link the one that I got previously in the description, but everything else that I'm showing in this video will be linked in the description for you to purchase. But since I got the walking pad, I don't have one of those desks that you can adjust up and down to use during the walking pad. I've been doing a little DIY and using a dresser because one of the dressers in my house is actually like a pretty decent size for using with the walking pad, but Temu was nice enough to send me a legit one, so your girl doesn't have to suffer anymore. I don't gotta DIY it. I have a really good sturdy desk. So this is it here. I'm just putting it together. It did take about 20 to 30 minutes by myself. Obviously, if Pablo helped me, I could have done it faster. However, I just wanted to test it out myself and see how fast I could do it. So super simple instructions are there. All the pieces were there, easy to assemble, very sturdy, and I personally love it. So this is the rolling desk, and with my 90% off code, it only retails for $8.61. However, even without the code, it's very affordable, so I do recommend picking that up. I think it's a great size. As you can see, I work with my laptop, so I use it for my work from home full-time job. If you didn't know, I do social media for a brand aside from my own content, which is separate from that, but I do have a full 40-hour work week every week. As you can see, I did decorate the desk with things that I'm actually also thinking of decorating the tables at the wedding for. Pablo and I are trying to see what style we like, and as soon as I saw these, I was like, this is the perfect opportunity to just get some stuff, organize it at the house, see how we like it, kind of envision it in person. So the first thing that I needed to pick up were these wood chips, which, as you can see, this is how it comes. It comes in a pack of 6, and I actually don't know if they're real wood chips. Like, they definitely smell like wood, like tree, but these are phenomenal. So you can use it as decor pieces on the tables, which I personally love for that. It's just simple wood chips, and this only retails for $4.80. So this, as you can see, is like the base, kind of like a tray, and you can put some stuff on it, which, as you saw on the desk, I put some stuff on. Next up, we have this rustic wooden candle holders, which again, I do think these are real tree. They smell phenomenal. If they're not, they smell absolutely amazing, like a real tree, and they are so cute as well. So this is what it looks like, and it's just for the tiny little like tea candles, I think that's what they're called. For these, they did also have kind of different qualities and lengths as well. So this is the one I chose, just a pack of 7 that had them all the same, but there are some that were like 3, and all of them had different like sizes, and it looked really nice as well. However, I just wanted to get these ones to see what it would look like, and they only retailed for $1.84 for a pack of 7. So phenomenal. If you are decorating stuff, definitely look on Temu. And of course, what do you need for decorations to make a space more cozy, more cutesy? I personally love roses and florals, so I did pick up some roses and florals as well. These are white fabric roses, and it does come in a dozen, so 12 of them. You can see they're also very long stemmed, and they do have the elastic just to tie them together, but they do have little marks where you can cut to make them shorter. However, these are like long stem roses, and I got white just to kind of see how the material is, how they look. I'm pleasantly surprised by them, and for 12 it retails for $1.39. And again, these are like the fabric ones, so you can play around with them, open them up as much as you want. This is how they came, not too squished. And to go along with roses, obviously baby's breath is also a good addition. These ones are really good quality. It's available between 10 to 50 different strands, and it retails for 26 cents if you use and download the Temu app with my link in the description. So this one came with 18 pieces, and honestly, it looks really good. Here's a close-up of it. All of these, absolutely love them. You can get everything for under like what, $6-7, which is truly insane, but also very exciting to know that you can, you know, decorate your house, your office space, plan for a wedding at an affordable price with good quality products from Temu. I know this is a sponsored video, however, I don't want you guys to think that they are making me say anything and that I have to say it's good quality when it's not. Like, I am using these things at my own wedding, and I think a wedding is such an important big event, so I hope that kind of gives you guys a piece of ease to your mind that I'm not just saying these things because if I want to use it for my own wedding, that just proves that I do love the quality and everything. And these are really cute, really pretty, and I do think they'll make for great take-home gifts as well. So like everybody at the table can take like the centerpiece home with them and then use it in their own home, and that way they'll have like a piece of our wedding with them always. That is everything for today's video. I hope you guys also enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Temu and download the Temu app linked in the description box to claim the $100 coupon bundle, and also new users receive that 90% off to get all of my favorite picks for such a steal of a price. Make sure to also hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!